First of all, thank you for the invitation to participate in the Ocean Hackathon. I am Francis Strobbe, Data and Communication Officer at the EMODnet Secretariat. So at EMODnet, the European Marine Observation and Data Network, we are offering free and open access to data and data products on 7 themes: bathymetry, biology, chemistry, geology, human activities, physics and seabed habitats. So my task is to communicate on these products that the different teams are offering, and also providing assistance and bringing the data to the users. We are happy to join the Ocean Hackathon because we want to ensure that the data is in a way accessible to users, to the participants, to the contenders. And we want to take advantage of this Ocean Hackathon to showcase the wealth of data that EMODnet has, and we see it as our role from the EMODnet Secretariat to ensure that whoever wants to use the data has access to it, and we will provide assistance in terms of documentation, but also personal assistance in how to use the data at best, not only where you can find data to download, but also through APIs and web services, which allows you to build on those tools that we provide, so you can develop your web application or whatever application you want to build.